Hi guys, so this video is going to be stage 2 of the drainage. So last you've seen off, put this channel in, put it into the house and put a little spout with it to take the shower. Backfills all and put this temporary lid on, which is done as well. Next phase is dig down, run a new line right where Mr&MrsJenkins standing, and behind her there is roughly where we're going to stick our new manhole cover. And we're going to tee off by here because we're going to have a gully pot. It's going to take 2 rainwater outlets, and that's all we're going to do for now. We're going to take some drainage up into the house and just then start backfilling with hardcore.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. I think that we've all had enough.
So all I'm doing at the moment is just going to have a little inspection just to see how we're getting on in here, because I haven't looked down here for several months. I just want to make sure there's no blockages and it's all flowing clearly, which I believe there is because we haven't seen any blockages yet. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing now.
Wake up, brother, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Guys, so we've got exactly the same chamber as before. I don't need any on this side, same as that side. I could probably have found the right chamber with 2 bits on the side or whatever, but it is what it is. So the plan is this is going to be our main run that's going to carry on up the garden and go around the side, take the rainwater drainage. This is now going to connect through to the other chamber. There's going to be a T-piece in the middle. I don't know if you can see over there, we've got our little gully pot. I haven't connected up, but that's roughly where it's going. So I'm just going to check this for the level. A bit snug, I need a bit more off over there, but pretty much almost there. Clear out a bit more, get our pipes in, and then get it all connected. And then tomorrow when all the chippings come, I can just pack it up and level it where it needs to be, backfill it all, get the risers in, and we should be good to go. Also, once I've done that, I'm going to be disconnecting the waste by there and connecting it over here, just so I can finish the wall off in the corner, and I can start my wall ties along there and chase up all the mortar on the walls and get it all sort of ready to go. Right guys, so when you're doing drainage pipes, you don't get any silicone spray. Use very liquid just to lube up the joints before you put them in, so they just slot together easy. If you don't have that, you can use spit, but you know, I'd rather use very liquid if I'm honest. Guys, final piece to this connection for now is just in this bit of contraption by here. Oh, if I can just bend it around. Right, there she goes. And that will be our gully I do need to obviously backfill all this with chippings and get it leveled out. I'm pretty sure the fall is pretty adequate. I just need to put a bit of backfill under here, and we should be all right. I might just check in that now. I might need to cut this a little bit, maybe. Let's see if it goes a bit tighter. No, doesn't want to know. Right, that's not baby. So yeah, it'll be finishing roughly about there. Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, leave a like down below. If you enjoyed anything in this video or you want to see something in a future video, just leave a comment down below what that is. If you haven't already, subscribe at the top and click the subscribe button and the notification bell to notify you of future videos. In our next video, we will be making a temporary lid for the chambers. So if that is something you're interested in, keep an eye out for that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.